How did you miss that goal?
To be honest, I'm not really sure, to be honest. I think we're tired from the first game. With a team like that, it can be fun when you score, but when you whiff, not the best.
Bryce Mosler, number 25. It was physical. Just try to get better.
Trick Robleski, number 86. It was chippy. Got physical at the end, but I thought it was good.
Does that make it more fun for you guys?
Not really. No, we don't like playing that physical game.
I just think that they want it more than us. We need to compete. Maybe working as a team, playing harder.
It was a very interesting experience. It was fun, but at the same time it was very, very scary.
I think that they were really big, and we were also kind of tired from the first game a little bit, and then they're also really big. So when you came in, like some people were kind of scared, I feel like, because like they would hit people.
I think we should have forechecked better and played better in the D zone.
Interesting.
Yeah, and I think we should have been a little more physical.
Andrew Bodie.
Do I like it? Yeah.
When it gets chippy?
Hold on. Jake, I think you just turn around and threw it, Jake. Let's go.
All right, guys, good game.
35. Just getting better.
It's unfair. The ref literally told us that we cannot make eye contact when we hit. It makes no sense.
My older son. Don't you think the truck is safe? It's taking the driver's test. We know. It is safe, right? It's so safe.
Are you serious?